ni nyina abato ye koya obia a prepare ne ho what they also okasa say no the obia say mop up na oye say obo na finally one who the obeka that's the most important thing baby adrun there o baby abeto wahu e aropa ye behwe na ye di ho komo kakra the teach you pa you won't see a lot of people can say that, but I love IGP, Inspector General of Police, and a committee in charge of election. No, a choir on Mafaso Abua. Now a lot of police are now in security service for omu deploy into various constituency, various polling centers, various centers are yebeto abano. It tells you say, nyame boa better ba kachiro. Said the committee ne ashisheno. No mienu die. Na abano omo said there are places baby cry. About one cry now. Omo nkwa akoto abano oma to awie. And I like the way omo si achiche ma 333. Ebe fast tracking nyoma bebre. Enti di ne ba wakohwem wa verify say ampa o to bie ye obi bia da okrotin. Enya ho na akwa kire mema sem. Obi de akwa pay the position. It is good to love the person. It's good to be a sympathizer. I feel so yeah. So say you have a teaming support for the person. That's fine. Me, that is fine. And you'll be but that to the extent say I got a bar and I got to dear. Now you have to have a no. That pose for the Wakakutum, Yaduko Chimwa. Utaya, they say, candidate to the Babadum. Now I cry, I don't want any, I don't cry here on my hot. Candidate to a baron Abia. Uboza, the team the back was a man, why I just say, or before no, but it doesn't change the law. Especially you are in opposition. Let's face reality. As I am crying as I also, you are in opposition. So, Okwara Koto. Wa bewia brefie na bedwe ho obefia na wa ba bedwe ho de no mienu no be ria sha asase akenkan ade na obete said ye tebia ya bebon dawro obete oh ya affiliate stations Sompa Takwa Sompa Accra Sompa Sunyan Sompa Nkranza Sompa Doma Sompa all Sompa ni na affiliates ni na be so you obete tawo ya so be ha ho so gwa be de betre fie kura benya trefie na the quality wa onyoma fabom or candidate arena warene that is the most important thing. There's no need say wa kwa kire mema sembia o ya ho be ma bibira ya kunjaw etin konkwaje ni paye ko wani paya a lot of day kafra no and ma wani ni ma back. So we have to be very careful going to Saturday nyameboa abana MPP for kwa to no say o ye delegate o ye delegate na akwa akotobia oto abawia hwehwu ye pa enkope asembia emfa mafie. That is the most important thing. But say that make sure you be din komo anopai na maka sure say openkasi e benya no ha no is a manner ono emebia sumdwe aburade wono pa na very important say and sa nyame boa about to ababe koi na daruma or preacher for sumdwa, and this is not the first time na adu jamfi kumanini berima kesi nkoso hene ema nyankyere ase na arapai machen therefore now pomboko there therefore in person na ho ye fefa
that's it
na nyoma ekoso there
nyame adom kakra
nyankyere ni ase boko
bibia boko
good na no matan kwanya so ho ye
omunyina ho ye
dame boa memenda abato ba because we say edru nyoma be say ya one of the messages say ya wotade na mu pa ya asundwe nyame boa abato ye ba bekoso eye party de kwa akoto de nanso so wa wotena kire na wo hwa e de na wo kafa
medase mechia sompa atiefo nyina me ankasa de me hwa kire me ho hwe de obehunu bibi e asafo wrade ti ono nti na metia
na message bi aba na
yo Sompa for Madam Wasepa anopai. And Kamasamo Yamede Sumamino Makanvi. And so to Bribia. Unyameya and Yenny Paba Kono to make a sachireno. Betimia Casachir Nipa Bebre. Anunti Nanka and Ra Michelle say, Suma was Sumami because me kwa cra, kwa press conference wa cra.
Yeah.
A casafa soon be hone dienya mede chireme demonstrate niema or said yame pese and I the ordana did chireme no. Me demonstration ama a cra for dienya a kaye any quampa bia and kayem penny for a share a fast one kadia soon be a beba and no. Ena miguswa enedei masa ababe piemu ha ninyina ye asomdua onyame pe ene sene onyame eda so do oman Ghana enunti ena mpempenso yi wayi me apostle nana adujamfi kumane berima kese se memfansemi emre Ghana fo titiru ni MPP fo sire be ya umbe ya hwe na eye wodo kroye enkabomu biakoye ena yede chekere oman ti eno nti ena anopai ene enakakra atwamu awrade de toma kuma so na nyese wode toma kuma so okasa kire be se memra na memayi Ghana fo nyina asutire
na na wode o somafo no kwasem ne se wabo ho dawura but and there are so many people ewo o my Ghana mu ebi kura sada no obi anya opportunity se o ti asem anyame e de asoma ade asem specifically ana Yankopon ne okan
minua meda wase me pese Ghana fo entie na enipa bia wo tie bi no onti asem yi pa titiru ni MPP mpanimfo ye wo nyame se ye wo misusu se ye wo mekai se medwene se enipa adwenkyere na nyame se die eye kasa bia ehu pa na tumi die akire na meda makura se meda baabia mibutuo ho ena otumfo Nyankopon a ono na wiase ni mu niema nyina ye ne dia ono na yikandini se oye sofo oye president obeye leader ana ohene onipa bia ni wawode tumi echusi obi se ye be hye ne nso a se ye kwa hensem mpo a de enipa de ne tumi eye no ya na mpempi ntokwa ewom ne mu se ye ba kwan ne ye manyame kwan na nyame de nhyehyeye papa ema yen ana empo wamaye nimdie ni nyansa se ye be yisu onyame de na wode ama yen wa asasi so na asumdwe empa oman muda na say na ready e demonstrate kire me o say abato na eye MPP for ebeto no eniema adi akire eye edamemenda which is 31st no ehu pa na say Ghana for amyani na ho na ye mpanimfo ansore kamesrempo kebeya ke IGP sada no ma oma Ghana nyu oma memman kasa enko ba bia waso omko because you policemen you soldiers so obi obe say obe pese oma Ghana asumdwe man omosomo man na mesere Ghana mpanimfo titiriu me say me dogana me pegana sam mini ba bia ko Ghana ye ni ba bia ko heya ne yeti heya ne wo yen heya ne tete yen menu ya se pese ko o man bi te say Europe and even African countries bi kura okwa hyehyɛ ne niema ye de bema wo se fa ko no wonya bi na wo de akɔ enti heya na betena awurade se eyampa na se wo gina wo nyame agina mu a na e die nyame pɛ na ye mobrosam na wo hwehwɛ akira kwan se nipa wo ye mobonti no mbɛko ama ya gye atum ye pese de omo ye ne mmom obi amfa ne sika ne na tuongufo obi amfa ne sika ne na tuongufo mesre Ghana mabunu mo amutie mi yo sa wonte ya wa wutie no koka kire obi wate se awurade se odone my Ghana abrante bia wo ye macho abrante bia wo party na chiache eye wo ya de mesrawo ma wakoma mrafom obia ma na kuma mrafom na onyame onsusu honhom ansa ne odiama sanka ya de onyame measure spiritual ebia nka mbe hunu ba bia maduru e was spiritual realm na wenye spiritual realm asem na me ka kire nipa de me ka ne se ebra onyame kasa kire me no oyi enipa 5 edi gina ho eno oyi sika bi ti se kwensa eye kane de na ya tworo so 5 na ne ya tworo nhyɛnso de bi wa kire eno odi nipa enum ni be gina manim na odi emienu gina sei na odi mienu gina sei ena ba ko aka gina baabi na bra odi kwensa ne kasa kire me no eno sei empanimfo amatwa ahia wo hai sabra ni hu se na nipa empanimfo bi atwa ahia o se enye we mu na yi we mu se wo momra na ebi kura na ye kan se obi antu sika bi ti se bia 5 billion ene bia mutu na 200 na obi atu aye se matu awie dia ene na empanimfo ana party ni hye mu ana emra ni kire se sa ni panimu yi ene betimi akọ enti di obekọ bia no mogi ni tum omo se ai no sa na tie dia adan ne sekatwe adan ne etuo edenti ene moni abri monfa mo se kan ngufom na se mo ye hyehye we ya ebe yie na ho ena odi krata mpanimfo bi tworo ye and before ye se omu pese asumdwe ba enti obi ansan sa particular document we ye kire se ba bia obekwa kodi bia no obeji atum na se ye de sa krata no ko ni atworo na ye adwuma dia adana ne ye mfa sa hyehye we nwu akwan mu se ye nuanom ye ho wenya general election ana yeto
abaso that is who we cry san on go sign peace park
kra o share me say me can some way before 7 days to the election
wow
na misuro se me kwa akoka ti me ne me mani nyina ejina ho eti anopa bia ye morning devotion and stand ya share adwuma ase ho eno sai fa me mu kasa ye demonstration say me demonstrate dia o ye ne kire me ma no still me se me nko eti me da fie be da me dem anopa anadwube 2 me hu ye ne sa se obi aso me nan atwi me free me mpa so de me to fom mani ti ye no na me free empa no eso aben ti se de me to fom no eno se sore koka eti sabra no na ade ebeche ama yakọ ayie bi ase eti me duru ayie na se no na ekwasi ada me duru ayie na se no ehonum na esai peja metesa kom bra me kasa no na mpanimfo bi onipa bi ho to mu ye videos ana omo de kire ma me hu se ebra me kasa se na me kasa eti enu wachi sei na awurade se enipa mienu gina ha ya fa queens papa opani mu ana opa akire osime pani mu ene ye to a de obe wini animu no ona wa wini wagina baabi ya sa to ma bonkum so de o wini ye no ono so na wini na koka another winner ho o ma ye mienu losers abaye mienu enam se obi edipa 5 na ba ko aka 120 ya sa be to ma sa losers no o ma ye 3 na mienu adika to de oba wini no koka losers 2 no ma ye 3 na sa be ka nipa 2 no so eto kwensi na de oba wini no okoka winners no ni ese anya 4 meaning say ba ko enka ho afi abeka enipa 4 no mienu be sa gina na mienu agina de entie nyame ka say ni say ye anuanom ye papa ba ko ma ye maame ba ko ma adan na ye pre na say na asɛmnetie say mienu ni gina na mienu gina ha ya sa to biem ba ko be wini ba ko be lusu ye de ba de wa wini na be gina baabi na ya sa to ma ada 2 no ba ko be sa wini na ba ko lusu ti sa 2 na o mu lusu yen enkoka 1 no ho na se anya 2 winners afi na ye be pe de oye okandini menua onyame ontwatro se ye no kure se de Ghana fo pe de nyame pe ene ode ne beba mo be hunu se yes onyame da so ye onyame na onai
apostle we run off every man because two page now about go frame
me pa cho tie me kakra onyame say election we ye just 5 minutes
okay 5 minutes
I was a 5 minutes and I come to me the to obey said your kind na me kasa kire mo no eti tatu na aba no afa ya safa kwense no na ya to papa ope bonkum ana ope nifa o se me pe bonkum ye to a se nifa na eba ya na ye se nifa wa wini bonkum na eba ya che se bonkum wa wini afa sa nipa mienu na ba kwa wini no mu ya nuafo ni ya kama bom fekeke ti yakobasa ye nyina ye nim se first and second and a winning ade ananyesa aden ena me ye MPP ni me ye NDC ni ena minim se me nua we sei me nua kwabra me nua noche eye good ewo this side we ye good ewo this side it is a nua phobia nu ebe prade ho a me pa cho se ba ko fa ba ko a ye de ba ko ma ba ko enti ka ba ko betimi aba be ye president na ba ko so ba be ne vice but say dia obeja president no obekwa ko choose obi afiri baabi
free
5 nimu dia in fact eye san be ko sanete na we na nyame sese ebodie san na mo pe no a ka mo mfa kwan we a eye asomdue kwan because eye mo am ho menua se ye hwesika ese ya yamfa do kran to nchen dia ye pesisi ya asomdue edememenda asemu anyame afami mu o meken mamu mfa ne se ya agudie ye won panifo bebre wo Ghana ye wo asofo akese wo Ghana and then 3 days ana me kwa Accra me kwa ye press conference wo Accra because na ade a pia me no na no odin me fi Accra mana me nanti sa me beduru ya no me sa tisi kumase endo anyina na me na mo na me press conference radio to radio TV to TV edu ha me kasa nyina adane mabre pa na metia no enti me srega na fo me sre mabunu a mudi amenimu na ko na kra na o menimmo munime menimu ekuta subai ba ko adwene ba ko ye nyina ya maame eye hiafo ye nyina ya papa eye hiafo ye ni obi obeko ama ye ni obi obeka ama ye ti be sre mo mama ye mfa odo kro ye bia ko ye ensoga na mu ye na ye nsoga na mu obia eda mu ko to obayi mesre obi bia se wunya to obani wie pe fa bag kofie mesre o se wunya to obani wie fa bag kofie uya abranti a uye macho minuane ho mesre o ebia na ba bia wugina na mama obi miti bi so ma ho na mum se wunua bi ben ho no obeto oba no etisen kura nya ne ho abotre mama ya mfa odo entra santimamu mama ya mfa odo entra Ghana na Ghana yeni ba bia akọ meni ansebu America no mu odu
papa
me kasa meka ade ebechi na de misre Ghana mpanifo wona ya tie me ne mamu hwe mimfi amanya mamu hwe sede metintin sitie ehwe sede mamadwuefuo na onyame oye ne die bia nipa bia ntiase nanka antia kosua ba mi fire kurase media kabisi mu sen ena mina nyame se men kan kire Ghana fo se men kokasa ya wa sofo bebre wo ha na so mina nyame se men koka ebi kwa na wadi ka kire obi nipa ni suro se de mi suro yi na so bere so se nyame se oye na ade a nipa ntiase Ezekiel chapter 2 verse number 1 and some be hunti baby a wo bia no kokan Job 32 verse 6 ko ho na kan na obewu se enye mia me pe ebra so ne ba he no hom ni so mi mu pagya mi gina ho te se de akomosi mi so no oso oni pa ba ko na koka
na so se Jonah menko minye dai me de na makoka osina bosi ni Elihu oya Balak bani buase media me abofra na modie mu ye mpanini anu nti ebiri bia se wo se me kasa me to me buase na me so se me ka de mini ma kire nipa o se ampara honhom e wo da sani mu anu no otumfo nyankopon home a
amani hunumu owie no ose anya wona anyi ni pi ene nim nyansa waka bibi o se bisusu se enka woma empanimfo nkasa na emfidodo nkyire nyansa mesre menuanom se mama wo bia akoma mrafom ena ba ko eja ba ko eye wodo on the quotation the grabber Job 32:6 osina busi ni Elihu oye barak ba bua se me de me ya bofra na mo de mo ye nkokora enti na me to me bo ase na me so se me ka de minim ma kire mu
enti apostle se anu ade hunu mu no na nkofo bi aplane se mentime ho ase ntokwa bi beba se sa na ti yese yetufo mamabunu ne titiw wona ye use omu for this chaotic scenes no nyame ankyere bibia ebetimi aye asia no
apa ade anyame betimi aye ani afutu onyame se koka so onyame ka se ka o kan wi awi wadwuma dia ka bia ye ono onyame asem
okay
meni o ka sei nipa bia wo tie mi ase ampase nyame na asoma me a dia oye bia wote me voice ye wode beto se nyame na asoma me se me mra mpa dia nipa bia ye bia no ote voice ya ode se kan beto ode ne jan beto ode ni tu beto na meji nyame a wo Israel di media safo wadi a oboso ni asase di se oya asumdwe nyankopon na obeye de waka no soso eno an obeye
baba now the foot so kwama IGP Ghana Police Service onso o chefe wom yesey
minua de tiene se onse mra e wo Ghana ha se IGP ya mfa bi NDC4 ana MPP4 amfa krata bi ankoma na se yehia wa IGP ntimi ntu anamo nemom IGP na sede se de message na ba na sede se o protect Ghana o protect the whole world anunti onyame agasa mi nkoka nkyere IGP o wan kan nkyere mi se mi nkoka nkyere Mahama o se MPP4 eti yewura Mahama de o ya asumdwe nyankopon yewura MPP4 so minim sa asumdwefo wom eye mentimi ho ase ebeba no o se ye wo hai eja mame fansia
Baba say fansia I hear that papa ewura bunu mu too much but papa nyame boa on police here we can say a bit secured IGP Abia says anya crowd station bia center bia 70 to 80 men there
yeah what me da say
omde ba ho no
station bia 70
to 80 the omde ba ho
ono papa nyame hira wo ba bia wo bia IGP Ewurade omo ho ban se wadwene Ghana fo ho na watimi aye entotoye papa se wode be protect Ghana emabunu eni emu mpanimfo nyina onyame nkai wo ba bia wo bia ye bompaye wo Ghana ha biribia ye be kai wo yeso ye bompaye edi ama Ghana mpanimfo nyina MPP4 medomo NDC medomo in fact NDC MPP aye Ghana and the South of Ghana dia udo MPP udo NDC me papa honorable Ken Ejapon Olmai what to say nim se bia wo bia wo ye akura bre se eye nyame aka na waka mamenchia me papa Alhaji Mahmudu Baumia Olmai bia wo bia oba me chiawate misraw mama makoma mrafom na moye yefunu ba ko ade etobre bia eya na saa na wo se ba na se mama ye nyina ye nya adwenkro na yensusu se eye Ghana sundwe ni Ghana nkan konti ena ye pre fane sa ye mimi nti ena woni abiri te eye sadia papa de beko bia megitum enti misraw mama sundwe mra Ghana na minim se de onyame ken mobetie na moyo se de Awurade aka no mama ye mfa sundwe enante na yenom asomdwe abura no nyame hyira obibia
aba for say utufu mabunu na na atu wonfo na say kukuru jai akekra grabi jai efrim panyufo so ana mabunu ye bibi ade na mabunu nkwa na you are being focused on them
the entia ne say papa bi ebe kire akora bi say ko na ko to twede a onko ba bi a ye to twede ni bio what I say ogina ba bi na wa kire say ya mo akon ko enu tena me ka tell ya mo akose ko ni de be ka se ko but uji ska na uduru ka funu so a fa kire wo ko fie koda obi sa wo se ko obi anko sa to ba bi ena mi gusto amene me empanifo so kasa wo obi a wo ye candidate a oto obani bia mesrew wo de oto obani wi a ko fie ne koda
baba obi so se adena ya nyami eyi trem no me de betwintia na ye de kakra nyami trem no yemmɔ mpaye na yensia no se nyankopon who is God of peace will control all the affairs bekoso Saturday
eja de tene se mesi me ba be yi message a nkrofo de mamia no a na se ma nyame adwuma ma no onyame se me nkonkoka me kawe ma wie madwuma edi se onim se nyame bi oho no ma oye peace ana nyame bi oho no mo pese okasa kire na ono so mfafo no mfre no no mi se nyame se adenti enye nyame na bo wi ase eno ma obi ya hiani no ma obi ya odefo ye nyame ne niema a wo ye nipa bi antimenti ase eda beti nyame ase sada na unye nipa bi etimesre minuanom se wo muntie de nyame ka papa yo asumdwe ye hwe chiri kwan na sa wo hwe no a ubehu no
amen. I think that a lot of people in Yaje or Asumdwe, the way I will see Ekasa, Bubo individuals, no, Eding, all the candidates, Eding, Kachum say Omuma Ajobreo, Emra, because they are all from one family. Papa, I didn't say na the big job to cry. Yameboa, if you had the chantem, Memenda, Yeshe Abatonas.
The Amidi Chatuan say, Unyamese Opasumji, Ubian Fancy Kani na tu, Engufom. Na yankoto abano yemra asundwe mu se Ghana ho do enti dia ene enye tu enye sekan me de obi bia ase
papa me sure say wo hu de obere ne na kana wonka
onyame anka de obere ne ho asema nkere me ne mo ose mintufu se omunyai ba bia eniema ebekoso no eno ho asem enti de obere ne de eno no kura na mfa nyame ho
aza
na nyame wode we ye MPP eye niafo na ye kope se ye pe obi di anim
I see
eno nyame wode kwan general election
mama na for say we the bury ni we nsi nyame ya cha me we the bury na
enti soto na e ba ne de difo bia hu dia o ka so obere ni no a o we ni ye no eno na mfa asundwe ama ayeden mesere Ghana mempese mekasa bium media ne se eya asundwe de obere ni de obelusu de nyame amfa nka me ho na mom ose yenhwehwe asundwe akiri kwan medase
papa nyame shall be brave
nyame shall
oni tim ni na edo mase se anope mobile na maba be join here na odi afutuo sei aba benim se ona wotie no wate na onso de be ya adwuma enti apostle God bless you nyame shall papa nana edu jamfi kumanini bare makese papa say apostle da nyame asumdwe ho the road obeboye enti nyame boa memenda wa akwakoto abani bia the most important thing is say asumdwe that is the most important thing okoto ama o candidate to the okwakoye obia make sure say peace and be adia ehun hia pa eso Ade Kingdom Herbal Center na the Kingdom Garlic Capsules and any bitters aba sanso no the Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsules abrayen Ade emani nyina take tremendous capsules ana emano take enti oba na se why if you home koye na se the bia mechanical infections tetewa ohia tremendous capsules and your friend the almighty tremendous capsules Free Kingdom Herbal Center and so emema no kwaje Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsules Kingdom Ginseng Garlic Power Capsules edo ana edi wa kagina mu pa wo be ma dia ebere bia ohia so obefa Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsules edo ana o sexual weakness o sisi na ya o mental stress o has wa dwen wa bre so who the hawa Mr. Bomadia na je Kingdom ginseng power capsules unya Kingdom garlic capsules and bitters and for general well-being ebo boost your immune system na my idea entimi emfa so the biara eda anopay the best school at the opportunity about amount St. Andrews Senior High School say oya special admission don't forget say yaje from 1-4 yaje from 2-4 yaje from 3-4 nemom ya special admission e dey ama one a wokotre so hwe ebi paper yetwam ebu a wa faili di ade St. Andrews Senior High School say men can say or boarding facility all the campuses out by here general arts general science business home economics visual arts agriculture science ni nyina ye chere honum bra asimfosu mankesim dunkwa ofen sehwe asanwe so afei new adubiase oba campuses ni honum bomodia the friend numbers na campus a ope na ya chere kwan abefa so aduru honum no akwa de de wom ne se ya wa track records e che se St. Andrews de one out ko ye so hwe di nyina edin pass obo se St. Andrews ni afeli because ye che wade de yam suro ni tete pawuram to wadwe na aye stabilize our bra ote enso hwe edem ho aropa bomade afre 0244696911 0244696911 ana 0207891004 0207891004 na also bomade akope admission ho aropa obesua de arabe so tu kwan a express group ada make am for ediamau express group Kumasi asafu labor runabout and craft for many chemo Kaneshi first light arabe express group na opeso ko Canada USA UK Australia New Zealand Germany country brand apeso ko say Schengen visa ibi na ape be bia apeso ko bia de akwanto de fa ho asem ebedan ye de depa wo mu ne say ye tra international exams ni nyina ebi ho enti ye tuition papa bi and registration for all international exams bi say SAT TOEFL GMAT GRE and the keka ho ni nyina anopa bomodin na bra your campus Kumasi Asafu Labor Runabout Accra Kaneshi First Light Tema Community 18 Lashibi Golf Filling Station Hona be huyen yane Lashibi Funeral Home ana eben so anopa bomodin awo East Legon Bra Trinity Theological Seminar yana ana ben so takra den ko Market Circle yane Hot and Store Fast Food ane dia nwhwe sanso na Sunyan Silver House ene cotton dine ho ane ben so Tamale Oduani ko Tamale Technical Hospital obehu yen ho bebia ni for ema court dine ho wa ana obehu yen enso ho brain na ya mo so be so sua de opeso ko ya adwuma afi okoto ticketing so de ya ma ticketer de bo from very discounter e wo from papa bomodia ne ko express group honum na no pay yen hwe na enyoma enkoye 21st clinic sebra 21st clinic na sciatica expert no pay se usisi achi etwe sa kope won na achi dia wa hwe ya na oyenya asem enti wo wa se onante enye wo se wachi nyina ahyehyew untutu hu de oya Mr. Brother expert honum sciatica expert 21st clinic ana go ba me de machines asu so afei your expert professionals omunim de nom so ahwehwe yadem your lab honum lab no so ye manko ye lab test wo ba bia na ba na me kwa aba na say de your scanner hu do nyina ho ye obi ana pa bra Kumasi ehwa ba bia Sompa TV we omu ewa ya ase pepepepe obo ase ko cancel quarters court junction ho na be Accra Dome market Sunyan fofo anim che Sunyani Technical Sunyani Teaching Hospital omne dia nhwe nkransa formula techman formula from 0249311311 0249311311 ana 0540311311 na baby ben branches ne dosun branch ben nya chero amwaba anopa bomodia ne ko RSYD Novigi Studios ye was studio kesia spacious ye was state of the art equipment ya de video filming na person ye there na person ye podcasting na pɛ so ina pɛ se betwa oye program pɛ se stream ya ye ne eboa ama wa ye streaming utim se crystal clear eni da ho anopa brand crime your malama biase first kokroko street ho na behu yen Ghana fada nyina ubuku ye ya ye beba 057 5778 057 5778 and 030397 4822 030397 4822 anopa bomadia nebre na yen create something together anopa ye bedi komo na channel so say WhatsApp message no emfa 050 9438 500 050 9438 500 sa also na Facebook and so oba Sompa 93.1 Sompa 93.1 aropai oba obehu yen na yen so ya somo odo messages no efa wa na wa share o like no wa share na o message no so o de fa ya kenkan enso ede amount ewo ho bejafo atena se anopai na yendi komo ehya se eni enkomo enso ewo ha na onso fa wa dwenkyere no fm na menje enkenkan emfa emau anopai Ali Omar Seidu atena se Udu Ashanti Regional on a team communication team member Emma the National Democratic Congress. Oba Arabe machi.
Nyamiadum.
Machi oti nyamiadum.
Mejoso bende.
Empom ti say.
Nyamiadum boko.
Enija wenye ntretimi yesa.
Enija say. Enija say.
So wa ban na osun ti we.
Oh, that Arabi. Eno no nkyere se ma ba na wo so ntintu no. Eja ye ba se obi an ho beto no.
Yes.
Ye ba se obi an beto mi so se otu krampo no so ho ato. Enti no abando abam ye nyina. Enye ndisi fo nko a. Yeah.
O ya ara meka asem so me pese beka.
O da bi. Waba mi nyina enye ndisi.
Ghana fo de nyame adom ene terawana.
Oh yeah. Nti uka so aba na aba.
Nyame ne terawana.
Yes, uka so aba na aba.
Daga obi a me hia o ka chem se ye.
Seja.
Oba.
Ose aba na aba. Nti nyina aba na aba mi nyina.
Matthew
aba mi nyina.
Efie boko party mboko de.
Boko I think say my first time I meet you. Most of the time you ba na o ma hene ni hia no. Yeah. Into the mamimfa akonya yusunchia. Yes, mamimfa akonya yusunchia atifu na minchia yempanifo minchia the National Communication Officer le Asami Jemfi and also Nshasun Kosanso Koma the Ashanti Regional Communication Director lo Abbas Nuruddin na minsanso nchia our incoming Ashanti Regional Communication Officer Mahmoud Kabori and also Michia our incoming Deputy Communication Officer Papa G mission speedy recovery. Now me pese me fa konya yusinam sanso and send a special greeting to Chairman Anakwesi na Asante Mamu NDC na Asante Regiment matters to the fact say Chairman Anakwesi ye ubia obeye chairman any performance no has been progressively right from the first time our buy Asante Mem in NDC itiminya 4 seat itiminya 400,000 votes na in the second term no krampo de be krabehwe nyamia do itinya close to 35% itiminya total votes in Ashanti region 700,000 votes nya 7 seats itimi hope say Chairman Anakwesi am assurance obetan so akobiem intimi sre delegate NDC delegate say omo kwa they should maintain Chairman Anakwesi. Yeah.
Azamu den di
enyen but obeko me hu say amafo bi start I start year campaign say
show interest.
Yes ebi ma start year campaign say almost be contest Chairman Anakwesi. I mean me hu ni say only being the chairman no on say other executive in national say na only leadership na ma other executive no so dey abo mo hu modern ntimi hope say person party no yensan so and performing more in Ashanti region, you maintain it because in the performance has been progressively. The first term, at least 400,000 votes in Ashanti region. The second term, 700,000 votes. Essentially, when you 3 seats, they can 4 seats. It me who say the amount to us as the Ashanti regional NDC chairman. It was about the next election 2028. I beat me about 10 seats in Ashanti region. Yeah.
Omar, I like you. I like your spirit. Optimistic is very good.
Oh yeah, me. I'm very very hopeful.
Yeah.
Say you beat me in 10 season na Santa region.
That is good.
Now say wow share Ejuma NDC. So Ejuma ye boy dia chale wa hu a enyo bi kra na be ka kire wo. Say yan hwe ya Asante region adu mi say no. In the next election 2028, you beat me in about 10 seats. Already cry no. If you cry issue baby walk court and on cromba. Yeah, and guy okay, yeah, G9.
There's a more 7 no.
Yes, 7. 7 is national region.
Yeah. Nah, 4. Number 3.
You not 3 the
count.
Yeah.
All right. And then walk off and say by the year I was so east.
Okay.
Say so far any part 5 for mucho muti.
Okay.
And no more go through the vetting.
Yeah.
I think say Haji Ade na be issues kakra according to Islamic religion na or think be via online na say virtual but antimama so all the same omo ma twa muti.
On say me hwe ayawaso is by election e basuna. O cry the bit matter to the fact say NDC stronghold. Now definitely na ba no mokwa akoto no ebe NDC ni be wini say me show be say Baba Jama ebe ye I think say MP for Akotia 2013 up to 2017 in terms of maybe proceedings in parliament, you know, or one experience and woman so I want to say there has been, this is not the first time MP sitting MP out near a day. I not just be contested. Yes. This is not the first time. I think MPP ni no or toy na you know contest here na. I think say Don Dubelo Ababeje city no. Enti no mimi hope say enye sie wie obey ni day enye sie wie. Ba me no to me die on say Baba Jama din kan ne Mama Ture contesting. Ama Baba Jama 82nd unya 309 votes and Baba Jama nya Mama Ture nya 452 votes into ono krampo no se ba na oba because enye se bia ono ne na wo wishi se man in film ba nya sie awie na enye sie awie ni die yes e kwan say life continue into no ono no hope say at least oba no timi di second no say ayawaso east for a man opportunity na obetima yedey de enjuma na Mama Ture start here no ono Baba Jama ebe dey obetima a continue ba yenhwe from the woman perspective ebumu ka say enye right say enfan say ukunu etoy na kwanso no no stand up so be contest na eyesa na say ya ade a eya akoso enti meaning ni say you see as a akwa say abusua city no enye say abusua how will I mean say heritage be that abusua no but it shouldn't be so. One thing is say woman feel say NDC I think say omo interview the acting director of relation computer tanko Dr. computer omo interview no busan say na omo hwe woman na oba be standing in for no crew na ne ohwa ni susu yete say you know so NDC party ni de e party no e omo bia but woman feel say so bit ma contest no we win ne so atoa enwuma ni crew ni start here there there's no problem with it intimi no me hope say about omokwa akoto na be peaceful election na obi biara obi win no NDC ye be support no na enjuma na the late Muhammad Ture started here and almost be to aso e dey ama ayawa so east for
but now I say idea say because you must sit in Timbenya but there have been instances sit you be the makwajibida the recent ones is it
on say one thing is a seat ena me no hwe even pono
ayawa so dey
meba on say even pono ena me no ka say pono menye sure say call the by election bia e be din say MPP we need the by election yes because one thing is vote na kwa akoto aba no be hwe na sitting no dey ato aba yes in the event say by election aba ye the MPP ni beba na say wa wo hwe let's say the previous 8 years MPP ba abemu the kind of amemu ye de bre wo a Ghanaian let's say wo hwe wasetena as at that time na nyame adom isilenso John Dramani Mahama aban and look at the economy no in fact has been so stabilized to the extent say and then minister wo buy so use car out of 4 out of 1 liter say 9 Ghana cedis. Yes, and good. Would the men say 10 Ghana cedis cry and running up 10 Ghana cedis. This is also the previous administration who talk for a liter 15 Ghana cedis. And now we say food inflation above from and now even less than 6%. And now we inflation policy rate anchor first no o banks o kwaji in o kwaji busia. First, interest in that so yeah, almost gets around 35%. Benjamin Adom policy rate is what about 18%. And local banks work babusia interest that so a what I think you have to look at all this thing. Sure was sitting in the fatwa. And one thing is a NDC there so. And I say, oh, any man there, papa day.
Hey, that's yes, yeah.
Entino say, open puntuo. In Punto, in the easiest way, then you're supposed to vote for the NDC. And Anthony say, I'm by election. And I say, one say, because of the kind of a memo NDC, yeah, they might Ghana for no. In Nkwantabisa, I think that is your name, right? Yeah, Nkwantabisa. Say, even Puno say, MPP for a mistake, there's a band to talk right, Beji. The band must sit in but 2 Beji. Yes. Only mistake.
It's good to be optimistic.
Yes. What I said. Because one thing says
I didn't know my the assessment of Abia, the member of parliament.
Okay.
So because there have been instances, sir, that certain president might be doing well.
Okay.
But the ability of a member of parliament, which you know,
okay,
to negotiate for a impuntuo. The constituency no.
Okay.
Because don't forget it's a national cake in Eba, but in your MPB and it me log.
And then okay.
And the other interest assessment say, let us look at the performance of Nipo Betiman lobby. Though Papa or anybody you can run.
Answer for me the own anchor. For me the but I'm not here to campaign for anybody. Banka me then come out you
any menka. This very menka.
But anka me then come out you no. You see, anka me then come feel say ma adwene mu de nka baba jama na ye obi anka mimi nka me ho ma nka me to
abaya me hu
yes me ma adwene nka baba jama na obi anka me ho ma
because of experience ana
yes because of experience and as on so no so
ye
you see on say ono so na ye high commissioner for Nigeria oh and one thing so they say on say woman no although no na ni kru na ye experience woni bi o it's very you see me person be call deep into that but one thing is where abandoned in sheshaya ba eja I think say where that area party Nima is in that constituency right Zongo community abandoned sheshaya ba obi bia Zongo community for so be benefit even say for instance ibu on ma say o hwe these are Zongo communities now guys ni be na first ni be na no mo be school by nyame adom hwe nyame adom a essentially John Dramani Mahama bayi MPP for nso di free SHS bayi ye bayi yetima ba be shemu kina mas free SHS this my perfect no you see and right after free SHS no omutimi enya opportunity eco university under the no stress fee for tertiary friends for tertiary institution for first year students and aside as more mu ye bubuafo no nso aja omonso no
physically challenged
yes physically challenged for no so no and school fees no okwa tertiary institution no so free for them and to me so all these are interventions a bit more the Zongo communities I know so a bit more and you know in all no if the government is performing although no so see kind nya bibia bit more lobby age opportunity that kwa command the constituency people but if the government is performing I'm sure say it cuts across every constituency
because of the bigger umbrella.
Yes it cuts across every constituency constituency near be enya de enya emfaso kwanso wonya enti mimi hope say definitely abana yokoton dey say that automatically all cry NDC strong with that na yes answer by election yes and
even from I think the last election we share number crowd Tory Mahama Tory dey
really and on say I think so papa crowd but no say election period na no ho mfa no yɛm sɛ na no ho mfa no kra no ntimi nkɔ campaign but still na wo wini nti no ɛhɔ definitely no NDC bɛsa nso afa.
The chairman is coming. Chairman for
the constituency. Yeah, chairman eba.
And also Yabeka say or were familiarized with the people within the constituency.
Bon, good. On the chairman no. Eja ono na fans on the representing party no.
Yeah.
Despite say we know some constituency na all some of mine no on the representing party no. Nti no and also any easy race other one is baba jama no so a contested pen no so nya more from the constituency so the second
or can I say me say enye sika because if it's sika when ya appointed our commissioner enye the break it to
yes ono no say constituency for the friend is one bra what I say now no officially so per se on some constituency no enti me hope say Jamaica to me then come to Abanama. Yeah.
But Ade Akye Abia for any agent say there is a young man also actually face among the five.
Okay.
Is it telling people something about the NDC as a party?
Oh,
with the younger breeze of it's a more introduced to the system.
NDC has already set the pace already for giving the youth with the potential to excel or maybe to assume position in the party. For instance, your regional minister, Dr. Frank Amakohene, just an peniful me be now no your chairman, but no the regional minister man. Then the minimum the cleaning so no, the regional minister man. I think say just recent ranking about one of the best performing regional minister into and found age. Into which they say, so we are mebulu cry and say, would the end this political party the chair? You have to get hope. Na emu ye krabo etiti nyame be free can west nana NDC my opportunity say e betima join the regional communication team in the NDC a political party I mean may all the 10 students no more campus and say omo konko register because a party a o join here u be opportunity and yes so hwe ye CEO Ghana Gold Board lawyer Sami Jemfi ono so in fact o ye youth as a one mentor some of us are even looking up to him. Or some of us even learn from him. You see, and I'm Jemfi most of the youth know join ama communication NDC crap part like that ya kono. You never Basintali so. And you know, NDC already said the pace. And you know, guy now I think that my friend did no. But me hope he say or also no. Even more to abandonment so on so bad with my born home because already the youth are already performing. And you say I'm that and I'm for a war. Umutrim Ghana for say na emeburu de experience be na e wo mekai sa mo MPA adansa sokwa keti amon ekeka say emeburu ye ti se kube na ye no go ye jeje abodu na se bia ni yetrim ara say na NDC party no why they approving wrong na so on go lose the seat no adansa sokwa and you know NDC has already said the pace for the youth too. In fact, assume position and also take up challenges in the party. And you know, so I'm very grateful for joining the NDC political party.
But now people are also saying so Hajiana.
Okay.
Because of sympathy, how Ghanaians are.
And
yes, Philly. And she has been serving the party. Zongo because I'm told say no, a woman organizer or something there. Or holding portfolios can crack. They say our appointment. Or that or one of the board or something or that and pay na Greater Accra. Youth organizer was saying all that.
Okay.
I didn't know any no more.
Also, you see, also me some has big campaign am obi. But me the to me need there.
But also me chira. Why okay that's something.
The whole campaign. What campaign am obi?
It's early days yet. All right. But it's not that early day because I'm told to say Nyame on the 7th of February na mobile. Go abani a match. Okay, so Yanhwe Pandai.
Okay.
The back and forth of Pandai.
Okay.
Now from the High Court.
Okay.
High Court decision was say Abano ye nullify ni na ni ento Abano foforo.
Okay.
The team, the legal team of Yera Matthew Nyandam so ye na say no. Then now mo file the court. And now Supreme Court decision about say
yes. On say ruling na abano ama say am be say Ghana for who say decision court ne dey abano I think say a 4-1.
Yeah.
Yes, in favor of the sitting MP. Bisiano, ama Ghana for who say it has indeed strengthening the resetting agenda of His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, especially in the judicial system. So right now, as I'm speaking to you right now, Ghanaians now know, they've now understood the reason why the former Chief Justice Tokonu was removed from the, from that office. One thing is say, in the judicial system, no, there have been so many instances when the MPP was in office. In fact, they've been former Chief Justice before. In fact, CSOs, civil society organizations, say, our judicial system was totally compromised and polarized because of it was in favor of the NPP political party. Necessarily John Dramani Mahama say nyamia dum na se Ghana for ye to aba nyamia dum na se Ghana for ye to aba mana obey resetting or in fact whether judicial system whether in any arm of the government say the bema eden resetting eden esipini nyamia nim kwini ama Ghana for the reason why the woman was removed you see ama Ghana for nya gidie in the judicial system. One thing they say even puno say no issue be bad no matter your party, know that the NDC is not having any influence in the judicial system again. Yes. She said, look at the common example. One example, actually say, in the previous administration, the court was polarized. Yeah. In fact, the judicial system was polarized. Abin sa obekai, abra, the SAR constituency 4, they are supposed to what? In fact, get a parliamentarian to represent their constituency. So okay. Ebasa, they were not getting the parliamentarians, you know. Omo the assembly courts. Emma ka Chief Justice or Kwansa Nkwantabisa the former Chief Justice Tokonu. And Ubejeri say from 2020 omo the assembly court woman di assembly woman na di assembly bo assembly guya kopinta ma the next election 2024. Ama the people of SAR enya representative in parliament. Enti mpuntu ana Ghana for ni enya no enfan say MPP abande bread friends Ghana for the people of SAR didn't benefit because obi no obeka obegina mu ana like obeka samomo and another one example so the show na chere say the woman was working in fact all he's doing was in favor of the MPP political party. One example so okay
in favor of
it was that's why the woman yes yes enti woman ye no yeah prima facie because you see so sure we did na so na you na you see what breach even say administrative abuse I say yes administrative abuses and a stated misconduct any did na so na you know and all this now form part of the stated misconduct. For example yen sure ade so kai that time na e beto mrebi I think say MPP and more call I think say MPP parliamentarians be your man so me call independent candidate or me call independent about you to about you omo as per Babin ka say according to parliament mremu no say wo call as independent candidate automatically are supposed to vacate your seat so okay even puno the assembly court I think na there were 3 MPP parliamentarians and the 1 NDC mo the court do you know say woman no time of the night was Friday, the court not they were on break. Woman frame edi assembly. And to say a similar incident also happened. Ewo formina. Satam na even chema won't me kwa campaign di man. Woman in the assembly. You see, all these are examples. Actually say the woman all were part of what the stated misconduct. Woman yeah ma a can woman here there. It me you know na aboa me reset the judicial system. Once one thing is Nkabeka say what?
Surprisingly, more certain more prima facie case.
Okay.
None of it.
No.
From where you know when it was on performance.
He said like the woman
misconduct, administrative
and I mean breaching everyone said traveling procurement traveling policies and all those things. It was part. I don't believe somebody, you know.
But it wasn't performance.
Like the woman, there was the woman performing. But one thing is that say you know, as a Chief Justice, no, you are there to ensure what? To make sure say justice prevail. It is not in line. In fact, it is not ensuring the say like a mad justice and prevail. Automatically, no, we cannot assess you to be a good Chief Justice. And in fact, within that, no, the former justice, so for Akufu Krami, say the court was polarized. Even the former Justice William Atukuba, and so many say the court was say Umudi Asema. Okoko no Umudi Asema. You can even predict the score. They say they be a herborn or prediction abemuno. O predict and so na edem. Say Evans Omuko a court this panda issue ya Omuko ya a 4-1. Anka sa time na MPP time na Evans say time na woman one bet my predict oh case ye declare the bear for Ampana 4-1. You know say it will be in favor of the in fact the ruling party. And one thing is go back as a war anka NDC ne also. Ena ade no so na anka ruru ananka ebe ko no. Initially na 150 police station almost say they should run the entire constituency no. So anka ebe ka say anka it will be in favor of the NDC political party. Because already no the opposition party were saying say you the Chief Justice and you Justice Bofo Boni Aba. And he is coming to work to make sure that the NDC succeed. So I say omono opposition ni krapo ka say opposition ni ka say NDC the NDC judge and the Aba a Chief Justice ne the Aba. Sana opposition party ni kan but when na a ruling about out no ama in fact at Ghana for BB, whether you are an NDC, whether an MPP. Say, now, in Juma era, Justice friends, Bafubon, whether an MPP or NDC, you have to know, say, you cannot compromise or polarize the judicial system. Yes. Or pledge or Mangana 40, say, Bano about maybe say justice be prevailing. Now, initially, no, there's a MT case, no, Nanka. Me hope say me say to be frank me say on me run of the entire constituency no now me sure say omo the Beko court. Yes, me yeah I was pretty sure omo the Beko court. Okay. Because fine utie yi si na according to omo no we sure the 150 police station omo the pin sheet nearby na there was a whole lot of discrepancies. In fact, mistakes, verification devices, they verify some and you mean naira. And of course, say 150 police station, you know. They say we are about automatically, you know. But now me sure say me court for better clarification. Now me sure say justice not friends a rule number that banner a fair justice for everybody. And one thing is say as also a strengthened rule of law, so that the market sky, you know. And one thing is, I me say, NDC abai so, this is legit John Dramani Mama ban so, and I say, you prove actually Ghana for say. Now, no, indeed, reset neck is a very resetting the judicial system, no, Juma, yeah.
And to you, the court system is working.
Yes, it's working. That's every care.
The ruling party is yeah, command and working. You see,
yeah, once.
But there are cases, Omar, uncle be also uncle ruling party during the time of
also do you a run of election crap on radio. You quite automatically likely say NDC be beat me because it's a ruling party. You beat me winning. But when despite all this, no, it's my boama justice. In fact, everything has been fair. Yes, it has been fair. And me asumdweni epe. See the be from koma basa ebi amba asumdweni epe. And you say
now the court can we help asumdweni. That's the apex court of the land.
Yes.
The only thing you can do is go for review.
Oh, say
and you tear the fiamapa. Though they were not happy. But what can you do?
There's nothing I can do about it. And you me they say Justice Bafo Boni. In fact, Ejuma Wabono. You see, I saw Ghana for any. I'm a CC. His Excellency John Dramani Mama.
My name obvious. Wasn't this obvious?
You see, we must say, Shanda didn't share Honomono as a Chief Justice. No, the men Ukraine. In fact, was strengthening the resetting agenda of His Excellency John Dramani Mama and the NDC government. It's me born about why the papa. Why the.
That's also a court thank you to not minority to say. But politicians, I don't understand more. Just yesterday, yes. after High Court,
Okay.
the minority was not happy. Said the court system is not working. Now we're happy. Say your way, of course, because it was in your favor. However, guess we were not happy. And Rob said, yes, the court system
you see. Once they say wrong, I am the same you. The minority cry boy abaso. Says they say no. The court, everything is easy. You are the poll because as for me, I just say, ubenya sem. Na ode asem na akodan court. Nia yes sem no kwakwasa na. In fact, and some say, me say, it's me to share that sana fedie. Say, you cry in a foolish case. So I say, yeah, but I am the say, no, ruling about no, I set example. In fact, say, the High Court, Tamale Court, no, at least, I'm on so a day. I'm almost so a dear frame.
Yeah.
Yes, other court should learn something from it. Say, no, reset in the diaba. Whether the person is an MPP or NDC, justice will hear the young man. So the baby more money in I impunto in Kanko in Abede, a BCPD, and 1 year here, or Mammy Hanum say, yeah.
At the Kobe on so I saw young one share any you. One young boy, they are both. But Mammy Chung Rahakakra. Okay. I'm a boy. MPP for Etwa Saturday. Good. 5 candidates. Good. In fact, Omunino be on a track record. Good. A drew baby cram for so much as a campaign for a candidate because of Moped for. And I'm a boy Saturday about to hear because
of visa. So far as democracy is concerned, the opposition party, and also, in fact, Omunya, to be frank, because maybe believe say Omumuni word ma democracy no. In fact, you who say practice democracy, and democracy is all about opinion. In fact, criticism, or in fact, nini na account a day, ema democracy a day. Yes. And one thing is me no, me share any interest with the bet. The more than everybody, but me there to me in the cabinet campaign Dr. Mahmoud Baumia.
I didn't hear.
And then they say, maybe Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, and they say, you see. And the Crescent, now track record. All the 5 candidates have their track record. Now, offer Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, I'm going to make pen and say, Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, Ayubia, Obabeye, Vice President, no. It didn't come on who the rule. His Excellency, the former president, Nado Danko Akufo-Addo, Emeyeti say, the former president, John Ajikum Kufuor, Nibaya, Amemu Obebuye, I would me boy stabilize the city. Ninina, it was the brain and also the handiwork of Dr. Mahmoud Baumia. Omeeti said Dr. Mahmoud Baumia is an economic technocrat or economist.
But he is.
Oh,
he's an economist.
He's an
economist.
Oh, so Abi has PhD.
Go redo course or taking.
He has a PhD. Oh, me the same me deny you. Me deny you.
I guess all my
yes. But one thing they say, and some of Muka Ghanaians didn't see it was in the opposite, like in contrary to what the MPP for catching and some Dr. Mahmoud Baumia Ebe vice president. You see, one thing they say, I already blame me, Amazisi and NDC, I blame Dr. Mahmoud Baumia and say, now, or buy one manage economy, one managing year in so you see. Once Dr. Mahmoud Baumia no ye vice president and no kasa. Once Nancy MPP for say yama me no hin. One thing is
vice president.
Yes, and chinen kan fo no. And when you are the vice president, automatically no, you are the head of the economic management team. Automatically, if when you are a vice president. Now, Dr. Mahmoud Baumia edwane no mudodo.
I say momo de na mo de abane president ni.
Meba, ona say oda meba. Odwane no mudodo.
I say obana ya menti ase asem ni betwam. Te be kan no answer. Me se mo de no His Excellency na head.
Just recently I'm appointed advisory board they will advise the president on the economy. And Dr. Mahmoud Baumia me yet say ono our economic management team o me yet say our economic management team obo mudin boche jakon alancha mountain what a solid team o me yet say these are the team they moved the economy from B manuals to Jan status economy, headed by Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. So what I say, and me hope say NDC aban some more than neighbor BMA on 38% in a munya, you know. Definitely. So best also at 34%. Yes. And one thing is say, social other candidate can Japan so I think that internal election you crowd me who no more p about Canada Japan. I think that just recently quite be a friend say Pokwasu Obama and other squad. I think the media monitors for Canada Japan. I say a murderer calling somebody a liar. So Canada Japan camp say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia is a liar. And one thing is, and some na mo can in announce no. And one so na 2020 the bear campaign. Yeah, the bear campaign. So ja mo na mo kan. Mo say, and it truly too. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia in Alisa Hotel, Emma lectures. Emma, in fact, na me cry. I was there. Na me too obi. Me too obi. Yes, say na me tell Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia lectures maybe. Yes, Emma lectures. E kwanya ono no oba. Obe stabilize the exchange rate oba. You see, and one thing is that ni nyina no nyame nkwe ni Ghana fo hu amamu a Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia e de bre ye. Ghana fo nya so mfaso bia. Edo how ye ni amane ne bre Ghana fo. Ndi na to aba eyi omo no mate ase. Ni ye hwe Kennedy nso a. Hwe. Sabiota Frache. Me na I always say he doesn't befit to become the president of Ghana.
Why?
Yes, Kennedy Japan. Yes, one thing is a Sabiota Frache. Say we di attempt to the stand say ye ma me mu baby krampo di attempt omu ma na me nu kwani it doesn't omu ma. Yes, you that be now you see na say one so what na o television so enu kra na MP before ni kan yo what na one sa television so threaten obi na de chon background ato is all this thing no as a it doesn't enka papa emfa wo ho for you to become the president of Ghana. Yes, yeah, you say Dabi. One thing is a no more on my own. Share Yaminu Queenie. So, person, yet me too, me say, I mean, everyone's a master, I'm on your me. And her debut on my yes, you say, ya own. Yaminu Queenie, it is going to affect my future ambition. Uno so baby president, I think I won't turn radio, so won't turn TV, so and cast answer me now. And in Tina say, even punish your 2 abandonment. Next will be your flatberry and NDC, you better bomb a gun of 40. Yes, because you want to become the president of Ghana. Becoming the president in Yewe because you are president of money now. And now the kitwa, that's a walk answer me, but bomber Ghana for unity. Now, you have back on so Dr. Duchum. And before me, I said, I'm glad now, made you catch him say, so what school crowd I'm on you. You say, or school, or I'm on it. Now, what's that, dear? Or ye teacher near what experience in fact in Adichiremu. And the teacher know what their way experience in the Chirimu. And now, Obeka today say, His Excellency John Dramani Mama Ka said, Obe review the free SH or say the review of the free SH means cancellation. And I met my search, me the Bamas is here. What kind Dr. Duchum say? Yes, what say John Dramani Mama. Baba cancel the phrase. But me one, yes, see, we are coming to review it. Please, Udin Krapo, Nkwantabisa. But review, if it doesn't mean cancellation. And to me, Dabi, and to me a teacher, me for other me bachelor, say me a student. Let's say me to class. Let's all catch them say review means cancellation. It's me one kasano. Onya no kwafo. So I say, but me want to say that is not the kind of idea. Obi am so the baby, Ombeyan BBT. That's not the meaning. That's not the meaning of this thing. And then like Brad Champon, Brad Champon, so here the gun of your sort of waka. Anka yes, need to hotels. And call for na. No businessman. Oh, that no business that be so okay. The Japan Royal Deal. I buy here and he list your mineral royalty at the stock market for I think $500 million for 15 good years. I'm Ghana for your solid work. I said no, you're not careful. The MPP is going to take control of our mineral royalty for 15 good years. The same thing. you are buying 60% shares of the new Abia then your mind see your mind there. Oda say enti onu ni anya ha there na say anka Ghana fon soro waka anka sini to anka fa ni nyina say ye electing as president of this country o manager pade nyina o be fa ni nyina so that na say back no last one so no onu so ye say me kra the MPP ni bi na kan yo ye say the constituency so ye say assembly man kra contest kra wonya MPP ni bi na kan me kra the minim yes ye say o contest kra wonya kwa blender for It's with to me there. It's with to me there. Delegates no omo kwato amana omo kwa Saturday no. They should do their best and vote for Dr. Mamunu Bamia to be the flag of the FPP political party.
Good morning. We're from Ola Leke Olutoyin. Our top fan pa. And this is slide number. Vote for Kennedy to rebuild the NPP to win power. Reject Baumia, live longer to avoid hearing lies in your ears. Mamika said, "You are mefa course, no." 0548 931 931 0548 931 931 face 0551 931 931. Memenda about to so ginam ding. Oyibo Boatin say, Oyibo Boatin nebehi. The second coming of Dr. Baumia is a done deal. Nothing can stop it. It is stronger than appetite. Hashtag the Baumia factor. Greetings to Kojo Bamba, National First Vice Chairman, Hofo, and to Honorable Amua Awuku Michael, Ashanti Regional MPP Secretary, Hofo, Oyibo Boating, and so Edie Ode Ebai Anopei, and so no. Mame kwa homaso na anopei yemfa monso madwenche ewo ha 0548 931 931 0548 931 931 0551 931 931. Those who are asking say there was no MPP any day omua a decision enye boapaye mesrew and the enya boapaye, it was their own decision ana onipa no amba nti yenhwe da CBA yemfa MPP ni ma. I think say nyameboa obi ye ne last hour obi age ne last hour ni braba. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Open your dini baby free. Good. Yentio.
Me sofu. Nana owura me kan bibi say Canada Japan would give my term near the other. I are near Rashimiko, US for surgery. And Radini Chremi, Emma Bohumpa, you with this issue. The Bohumpa, you were sorry. That's why Miam Casamina so Kubisha Bohumpa. Yariani by that way. You know what the people say, they say, why Kennedy? The Radical say he is a national asset. Not having the presidential ambition of a mind. And Radiadum, we are here, or your colleague said you by no one yet perfect in the healing. A brought in a dinner number, mammy, friend, a bomb, pay your man. And what train? But the one that as a Kennedy is going to be the next president. Name your politics. The friend Reverend Nation. My radio, you mother, so the radio. You are the first time. You are the first program.
Edini Ade.
Reverend Nation.
Oh, okay.
Go here. They know. They will tell you about him. And the Kennedy and Casano, the presidential ambition in the Nipape. The Uncle Bonnas said, "Now when you are many new,
okay.
Take me by way.
All right.
Kennedy is going to win this primary. The man out to Canada. The sports person, you want to radical terms over Yari. Then go bomb Payaman. Go bomb Payaman office. Yarian by a buy and a police go bomb Payan. And Yariano a boy. And see a Kennedy as someone, not by profession. By God's choice.
May I say, Reverend, thank you so much. Hello, good morning.
Yeah, hello, good morning.
Yes, sir. Open your dini baby free.
My question may be Ernest.
Okay.
Free.
Okay. NSNTO.
Okay. Me pacho person me bominia NDC panelist na oho ejuma pa mudima NDC party no say shema the we are the excellency John Dramani Mahama edi omani kono inna yo warishim say omani call in good direction na person me catch no say ewo Ashanti region ombo modern say the BGC na free MPP for some ade ba kwa mpese me catch MPP for say mamom can say John Dramani Mahama ba biom ntino benya no bibia fala o enye easy mom NDC on ja omanima MPP for omosambe ba aban asambe share omanama candidate PIA you be presenting you be making sure say you be winning aban Ghana puto youth dia be who say Ghana no a coin good.
May I say thank you. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Obankese.
Obankese odin baby free.
Wadaru me frame sa ko dem do janguba.
Good. Yenti o sir.
Mamentia Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia na ye make nyame aduma memenda. Delegates many delegate yina MP nkoto abama Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia. Otu ase. Sa hono sha obi be. Adena mementia se Ghana D4. Edu so metua from se obi ayen ti obi anto. Edu 2028 afi ni Ghana D4 se politics nkom. Ene ye kobobola di edu se 12 match e ho ni hu na D4. Ya na emere na ewo aka na ya no mo hen. Di bie no be se Bawumia. Memenda onwene upa dinsan kom kosi di here delegates no ye di on kom ye nim de aka second year so beto aba ma Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia.
May I say sir. Hello, good morning.
Me jo so senior.
Open you din baby free.
Uli akwa sma bi ne ka se free kuma tin share so.
Kwaku mayenti o.
Ala fe ma mi chane mo ba so ne ga se ku pon sha board ma. Na me cham bi delegate so la ke te Dubai. Na for to la na fe kwa so be na ko ma sekia. And some Ghana for you can say, the Union for credit is not a farmer by no monto. That's a papa no dear very yet. Most of the creative I'm not meant to be a BIA. For no sooner than a great year, that is a man more man of Conan. And you can be because you say, you near breast upon your pampadia. Ghana for the Kennedy and then just one but say, I'm not one corner and kinam. It is a pan near pampadia for credit. I say, Papa on the air. Therefore, we are so for 2004 almost for be adam go for them come on what so I am come am there what I say Canada ma Ghana for some to apa ya papa ni bia ya pa Canada na never to me no da se bye bye
Me so me da say ya fa course din so Kwame na ya ma ya birthdays na and birthdays ni do so pa me pesa me fast sports for so time enti me anya birthdays no inferior anope. Okay. First birthday, happy birthday to Edward Nana Entry. Edi anaya wa woda yese Nyankopon hra ni mobro hu emaw. Kai na hye so say you are a victor. Bibia wo ye bia wo ye nkunimdini edi hye so say nyame ebeka wo ho na wakoso edi nkunim. Happy birthday to you Edward Nana Entry. Yes, enjoy your day. Birthday we son koma Shelly Opoku. Shelly, happy glorious birthday to you, Oba Shelly. And then wow, I love that beautiful smile. May this smile never face. Basa sidie ento aswa enwo wanim. Shelly, continue to smile and shine and be prosperous. Yame adom eni mobro hu enka hu. You are beautiful and fearfully and wonderfully made. Happy birthday, Oba Shelly Opoku. Afe happy birthday enkomau kwabena amwa average kwabena amwa average ene dason kokra mawo yese nyame se de wawofo antimanya no obetimi oba beya amana broso average nyame famfra adum kwa adum star boy continue to bright and continue to be in the glory of God. Average, you are a superstar. Happy birthday, champion. Enjoy your day. afei birthday way enso enkoma animonyam obuo edu jamfi oko school Kenas Montessori sunyane happy birthday animonyam o papa eno mame so mu do o siblings nyina so mu do. They say happy glorious birthday to you. May God bless you and make you greater than the greatest. Way through wa for ho any nuamo any uncle Collins and so do. Happy birthday to you. Afei honorable Sakwadiero no happy birthday the champion man. Because of your good act, may God continue to bless you. May God support you to another level. The man domini favor enya kesi also just ye cry afe ne nshano ebeyemo. Happy birthday honorable J Sakwadier. Enjoy your day. Also ewo ho sanso na birthday way Kwama Victoria Esiama Beniwa. Victoria Esiama Beniwa. Victoria ena your birthday. Yesre nyame se onshaw no onyo kese. Ene ana wadi 1 year. And happy 1st birthday. Yes, this is your first birthday, and may God continue to bless you. Way every sister Sarah Ajekum or Swami Police Station. Sister Sarah, I am proud of you. Team Nina, I am proud of you. And the Shannon son. Selba be penny kessie. Yamin sure be brave. Beniwa Victoria Esiama. Enjoy your day. Sa Elsona Matilda Ousua Eja Poma Junior any senior. Ene ayama woda sonko kra junior and senior yese nyame se oma ni mobro hu no enkoso a enkramu onyame a ohra obi entimi enome no se nyame no onkoso a emamo enye kese matedo uso ajapon a panyi ene kakra adopai yese nyame sha mo Belgium ene na mo 40th birthday we every mo siblings na any mother ana fe Joe enso techi happy birthday. Oh, what a beautiful twin. Nyame mamu fie bebre. Na nyame manhira ene nkwatentin emu nkamo so. You are beautiful and you are superstars. Happy birthday, twinnies. Enjoy your day. On that note, yamfa osomni nyina ensi ha na afei the wonderful team and so emeka ho. Aropai wonderful team no emeka ho na omuso